Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can make money just sharing a link, and the money will come just based on the amount of views you're getting per link. So it's extremely easy. You do not have to sell anything at all. It's not like you have to promote a product like with affiliate marketing where you need people to buy that product in order for you to make a commission. With this method, you will just make money based on the amount of views. So let's go. I'll show you that right away. So you want to go to a website called shrinkme.io and just click on it. I will leave the link below as well if you want to click on it and get there right away. You can do that as well. So as you can see, they can pay up to $220 per 10,000 views, which is pretty big considering nobody has to buy anything. It's just based on the amount of views. And I'll show you the rates per country. It depends on the country where you live. So as you can see, earnings per 1,000 views. So you have the different countries here. For the US it's $7, Canada $7, Greenland $22. I mean, it's probably hard to get some views over there, I would say, but it also depends if they watch it from a desktop or a mobile or tablet. So you have all the different rates per country, and you can see they have pretty much everywhere. I mean, worldwide deal. They also have a payout over there too. So the conditions are here. Visitors must be unique within 24 hours and they must view the page for at least 10 seconds. 10 seconds, easily done if you choose a video that's highly viewed already. So I'll show you where you can get those. So let's say you want to promote gaming. Is big. I'm not a gamer myself, but I know it's a big industry and you have a lot of people that are just extremely passionate about that, and they share their screens, and you can watch the screens on YouTube and people love watching that. So I know it's a big thing. So let's go. Fortnite, I know that game too. So Fortnite is a big game in the gaming industry. So let's say you wanna promote one of the videos that you have here. We'll try to choose a video that has a lot of views already. That's very popular because like people liked it already. So this one has 1.1 million views. 1.5 right here and right here. So let's say we want to promote this video. So we'll go right here.
A mighty storm!
We will kill the sound and you'll grab the link right here. So this video is a 10-minute video, but anyways, you grab the link, then you will go to your shrinkme.io, and I will log in because I already have an account with them. You just want to paste the link of the video, and it's gonna just shorten the link. So here's your link. You have your link right here. You will just copy the link. So from that point, once you copied your link right here, you will want to go to websites with forums, with like gaming forums pretty much. So let's go find some. Gaming forums are probably on Facebook. You probably can find some, but here, video game forums, PC gamer forums. So you'll find some of those websites, and over there you just can drop your link, tell them, oh, you should look at this video about blah blah blah. You'll find the topic that you want to where the video is related to, and you'll just promote your link right there. And let's do a little calculation right here. So let's say, so we saw that video. Okay, that video has already like 1.5 million views. It's a lot. It's really a lot, and it's been on for a month and so, right? So it's not even a year old video. So let's say, imagine you get 10,000 views. I mean, you never know. So you know that you're getting, depending on where you live. So let's say you're in the US. So you're getting $7 per 1,000 views. So if you get 10,000 views, so you'll go, there you go, $70 for doing absolutely nothing but sharing a link. So the more you will share the link, the more views you will get. You can literally find different types of videos and go on different forums and try to drop your link. You could as well, if you wanted to, maybe create a TikTok account, a social media account, I don't know, Instagram Reels, for example, and put your link out there as well, and try to like drive the traffic from those platforms straight to your link and just get paid just by the views. So it's like getting views from YouTube, but like in this case, they don't wait for you to be approved with monetization and things like that. They just pay you right away as long as you get so many views. And that's that for this way of earnings, and I'll show you as well how they can pay you out. So here on your dashboard, you can see the different ways of payouts. So they can pay you by PayPal, Payeer, AirTM, Web Monies. I mean, all these pretty much. Bank transfer as well. So yeah, it's pretty diverse. Yeah, depending on where you are. From what I can see, here you have some other conditions, and here as well you can see the payment proof right here. So all these people were just paid today, and you have the times, and yeah, and the amount they received. So yeah, there you go. So, and that's it for that method of making money without spending money. Really, you just need to refer a link to people, and they just need to watch a video. So I recommend just maybe like using Google Trends, trying to see what's trending at the moment and getting videos from these links, and just spreading your links on the internet and getting views, and that's all you have to do. Well, I hope this video was useful for some of you. If it was useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will try to make more videos giving you more tips to make money online, and I'll see you on the next video.